In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily limit charging to 80% on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. The limitation may help with the long-term battery health performance on an iPhone, and now I'm gonna show you how you can easily enable that limitation. So guys, first off, we need to head over to Settings, and then scroll down until we find Battery. On Battery, we can easily find Battery Health and Charging. And once we get in here, we need to tap Add Charging Optimization. That's where all we have to do is just select 80% limit, and now it says that your iPhone will only charge to about 80%. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.